Mercedes Sprinter tire pressure warning light. It was here, lightning all the time. Have checked all tire pressures. It was okay, and after we changed one sensor because it was leaky and rusty. So after we changed that, TPMS always it was on. So what I did, push this button, coming here, call TPMS, and after I push this one and it happens okay, and no more light. Sprinter 2000 something, it's 2019, 18, something like that. So I nowhere found this information. Oh, now it's coming water in windscreen bottle, but it's another problem. So thanks for watching, see you next time. Like, share and subscribe.